Hello everyone. You are listening to this audiobook on channel Voice of Purpose by NSS IT Bombay.
Web3 is one of the biggest buzzwords in the tech space right now. But what is Web3 exactly and why is it important? Let's get right into it. First phase of the internet, Web 1, was mainly about providing online content and information. As such, Web 1 was largely static and practically only allowed users to read information. This was how the internet worked in between the years 1991 and 2004 and was often referred to as a read-only system because there wasn't any logging in or reacting to posts, just a bunch of information preloaded like an encyclopedia. Through the years, as we were making progress, we developed more features and the face of the internet was slowly evolving. At first, our role in the internet space was that of a consumer. That is, we were just consuming and viewing data available on the internet. But later, the web pages started receiving data from us as well, and this is what is Web 2. As we viewed websites like Facebook and YouTube and performed Google searches, these centralized companies started collecting data about us so that they could serve us better content, which in turn would make us stay on their websites longer. This meant more money for them, but eventually they realized they could package up all the data they had collected on us and sell it to advertisers. Web 2 is the age of targeted advertising and the lack of privacy for its users. So, you and me can both open up a website like YouTube on our respective devices, and the web page can end up looking very different based on our previous data consumption on the particular website. This means that any information shared by users on these platforms is stored by the cloud service provider employed by an online business, such as food delivery or e commerce. The cloud, which is a remote data storage and processing service accessible over the internet, powers most online services like email, social networking, and shopping. Cloud services are available through Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and other platforms. Web3 is the next evolution of the internet, probably utilizing blockchain technology and the tools of decentralization. In Web 2, you were the product as you were browsing social networks, but in Web 3, some believe that you will be the owner of your content, the stuff that you post online. Now, this is kind of true. So, if you want a post to stay up, it will stay up, but if you want to take it down, they say in Web 3 you can control that because, as we all know, usually when something is on the internet, it's always on the internet. Here is one example that's already real. Odysee is a blockchain alternative to YouTube where videos can be posted and creators can earn library tokens, which are basically a reward for enticing viewers to watch their videos. The thing about Odysee though is that they can't really stop a video from being posted. If someone uploads it and someone else in the network wants to share it, they technically download that video and then let others watch that video and download it as well. To expand on this, your post couldn't get taken down because your post wouldn't just be on one of Facebook's servers. It would theoretically be on thousands of computers around the world, ensuring that the blockchain social network you're on is not attacked or censored theoretically. So, for example, if you post a video on YouTube, they have full access to delete it from their website, which means once they delete it, nobody in the world can access the video again. But here in Web3, there is no such internet power that can delete the content from all computers across the globe. So, in Web3, there will be no censorship of social networks like Facebook or Twitter, and one controlling authority cannot shut it down. Lastly, one of the biggest things in Web3 is that your digital identity is not 100% connected to your real world identity. This means I can view pages, download things, make purchases, and any other activity on the internet without being traced to the real me. So, in the next decade, you might be able to buy Amazon gift cards using MetaMask and pay with Ethereum, or that you could anonymously leave a like on one of your friends' posts using one of your hidden wallets. It's not going to be a bunch of life changing ideas all at once. It'll likely be a series of ideas that grow together. Obviously, cryptocurrency is a key building block for Web3 since one needs to transact crypto coins or tokens to participate in them. But Web3 is a lot more than that, and its use cases are still evolving. The best example of the Web3 universe is NFTs or non fungible tokens, which are bought using crypto coins. So ultimately, Web3 will provide a decentralized, unmediated read write internet. The transition to Web3 is without a doubt the internet's most significant paradigm shift since the emergence of Web2. So, I hope you guys liked the audiobook, and I hope I could explain to you in brief about what Web3 is and what we can expect in the future. Thank you.
So hope you guys had fun. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting audiobooks.